welcome back guys to my channel today. Last time we came together, आज मेरे एपिसोड में तो हम लोग ये कौन सा डब्लू का मतलब गुडमैन ही है। हाँ गुडी है तो इसमें रोबोट वाला मुझे पता नहीं कि मोड बहुत बड़ी करेंगे मजा आएगा भाई सारे एपिसोड में चलते हैं पास में चलते हैं। One of Frank's friends needs a favor. Nautical Nightmare.
And the last thing we need is for... Calm down! You gonna tell me to calm down? I got reporters walking up to me talking about real estate fraud, talking about money laundering. Those are some dirty words, son. I can't have them words being slung around in the middle of a goddamn mayoral campaign. Clean it up! You Frank's boy?
Something like that.
Simple yes or no question warrants a simple yes or no answer, son.
What do you need me to do?
Boy's got some attitude. You best be careful with that, lest you end up like the dog.
What dog?
One that went and bit the hand feeding him. Now listen, there's a boat docked at the marina called Sunny Side Up. You need to get that boat and then call me.
Is that boat yours?
I'm sorry. I must have missed the part where I asked if you had any questions.
Authorities are combing the City of Saints vault for clues, but at this point, forensic evidence has not been found. Police Captain Hamlet stated in a press conference earlier today,
"This robbery was either an inside job or committed by highly trained professionals. I am very, very impressed."
Stay tuned as we are updated on the situation.
Stop! I'll have the money soon. Stop! You're behind on 2 months of thing.
Please. I got a family.
Should have thought of that before you gambled with money you didn't have.
Oh, man. Thanks. I'm looking for a boat called Sunny Side Up. Huh? That's my boat. What do... Oh, man, you guys won't let up. Just Just take it.
स्टीयरिंग का रोड तो बहुत पुरानी ये मैंने सीखा यू वेस्ट भैया अरे वेस्ट बस पलटी तो थी भाई है कुछ भी तुम वाला कुछ भी बोलोगे ना वाह
It's done.
Good.
Hello? Prick.
Yeah.
Permission to come aboard, Captain.
Honey?
Heard you exercised your sea legs today.
You're starting to creep me out.
You know Racer Girl, right? She does a whole boat racing thing, too. You ought to go see her and show off your maritime expertise.
Sure. Sounds fun.
Happy boating, Skipper.
रुक जाओ मेरे को नहीं रहना मैं बड़ी स्लो टैक्सी 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 this is my taxi
You may not be young anymore, but the music never gets old.
1014.
Good classics die hard. Classic Vibes, 101.4.
Hello, Vegas. You're listening to 101.4 Classic Vibes. Very special happening later. I managed to get my hands on an original 45 demo from the legendary Chucky Baster. Now, Chuck Baster, as I'm sure all my listeners know, released 2 instantly classic LPs before succumbing to paranoia and locking himself in a shack in the Badlands of Montana and declaring himself the king of Basteronia, a small sovereign nation, population 1. As a result,
अबे कहाँ है वहाँ पे मैं बेचारा यहाँ गया चलो छोड़ो दूसरे रास्ते यार काटना यार तू भी अजीब ही है बंदे यार घूम के आगे वो कब वहाँ से वहाँ पे तो यहाँ पे ना साइलेंट है इंडेक्स ये सबसे इरिटेटिंग चीज है सबसे इरिटेटिंग ओके रेनी कमीशन वैसे ही यार तो यहाँ पे मेरा कमीशन नहीं था आई गेस वो हाँ blowing up the हाँ एक हेलीकॉप्टर वाला मिशन होता है शायद हाँ great job okay
Hey, I need you to do a little recon for me. Last night the feds impounded Frank's chopper for legal reasons. Nothing serious, don't worry.
I'm not.
Thing is, there are a few items on the chopper that Frank would prefer not to get into the wrong hands. Hopefully they haven't had a chance to search the boy.
What am I looking for?
USB thing. It's under the passenger side seat, I think.
Does Frank know about this job?
Maybe he does, and maybe he doesn't. The important thing to remember here is that if you don't get back that thing, you're like dead and stuff.
Anything else?
That's all. You'd be surprised what those little things can store. I mean, hundreds of photos. Just call me when you get back from the airport.
So now I gotta clean up the goons' messes too. Great.
मतलब हम सब करेंगे goons भाई वो बढ़िया
We apologize for the interruption as we bring you breaking news. A high-tech seaplane belonging to Dr. Paul Severn, advocate for the disenfranchised, was stolen from the Vegas marina. Larry Stevenson, a dock worker, stated earlier,
And 1 second it was there, the next second it was gone.
if anyone can find and recover the plane, the good doctor is offering a reward of $3,000 and a Shetland pony. So hit the streets and keep your eyes peeled. We'll have more later if we have more later.
एयरपोर्ट पे आई है यार ये प्लीज छोड़ दो जीने दो यही आना होता है ना फिर यहाँ से मुड़ के वो उड़ रहा है अच्छा वहाँ भी एंट्रेंस है
A little recon, huh?
Hey, are you the forensics guy we're waiting on?
No time to search the thing.
चलो फ्रेंड्स तो मैं तुमको मारने चाहता बढ़िया मतलब भाई जान अबे पुलिस पुलिस से पीछा छुड़ा है मैं ऊपर नहीं हूँ उनका मुझे हो जाता है मतलब ये लोग अब चलते हैं सीधा चलते हैं में लैंड करना है। ये हेलीकॉप्टर वाला मिशन ज़्यादा ही है, ये बहुत जल्दी जल्दी है। ओह शिट!
I thought security was messing with me when they told me you were coming in for a landing. Way to go above and beyond.
I don't think the feds got a chance to search her. That thing's probably where you left it.
Man, this is good. Real good.
Yeah, well, I'd get this bird out of plain sight if I were you, and maybe a new paint job.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Get down to the casino, now!
Get down to the casino now. चिल्ला के क्यों बोला बेचने में से? मेरी जिंदगी वैसे भी थोड़ा खराब है, तो ये बनाएंगे।
Let's go. You drive.
Don't worry, Winston. We'll nip this in the bud.
And I'm supposed to what? Renege on all my campaign promises?
It's an unforeseen delay. In construction, you have to allow for these things.
Explaining away a union strike is easier said than done, Veliano. Not to mention the fact that it just smells like money going down the drain.
I don't think I'm familiar with that particular odor.
Do I look like I'm in a joking mood? Your loyal workers are down there shouting about standards of safety, and that's rallying up the unpaid contract folk. This keeps up, I can kiss the labor vote goodbye in addition to everything else.
Jason, in exchange for their support, the Reverend and I promised a few of Vegas's more prominent businessmen a hefty stake in that convention center that you decided to...
मैं रुक जाना, ये तो एक मिशन करना है बस, एक मिशन में हो ही जाएगा मेरा। हो गया। अब बात मैं क्या है बोला कर, अभी मैं फोन 3 मिनट का है बस। हाँ नहीं नीचे मत, पढ़नी चाहिए, इम्पोर्टेंट पढ़नी। एक और फेंक के पानी भर के दिए ना, तो भींगा के देखा ना तो आ जाएगी। मैं मारी हूँ लेकिन वैसे ये बंदे। ओह नॉट अगेन। Once.
Frank, Frank can kiss my ass.
अरे यार ये अनियन हट अनियन बॉस बट इतना मार है ना नहीं रुक जा तेरा सारे बाय बाय अनियन गो अनियन
I get back to work if you know what's good for you.